Hi, Justin Epstein here from the Unity Center of New York City. We have a great opportunity. A person in our spiritual community has offered to match every donation given to Unity Center up to $10,000. And so we would invite you to join us in this campaign, which begins on November 30th, Giving Tuesday, which is a day recognizing radical generosity around the world. And we're going to run that campaign right up until our annual Burning Bowl Sacred Stone ceremony on January 2nd. So would you please help us raise $10,000 this month, which will translate with that generous person into $20,000? If you want to send a check, just put in the memo 10 for 10 and send it to 213 West 58th Street 10019, or go online, unitycenternyc.com. You'll see a place to donate for the 10 for 10 campaign on the main page, or click the donate button and there's a page for the campaign there as well. So thank you for participating. Thank you in advance for your support of the Unity Center, helping us fulfill that vision of doing more, reaching more people, and fulfilling that vision of global spiritual enlightenment through your donation, which will be matched. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.